So this is the new Carepod Cube. We have 2 previous models and I really wanted to try the new one because I love the other 2, and it's just, the design is beautiful, it's really easy to use, and it's like the easiest humidifier I've ever cleaned before, and it's really quiet. So this comes separately in the beginning, and you easily put this into the prongs there. You fill it to above the minimum line, and distilled water is the best to use. You close it and turn it on, and voila, you can change the mist. See, it's so quiet, right? That's the lowest setting. That's the highest setting. And then you can even do a timer at night so that it automatically shuts off. And then there's also a heating, sanitizing option to keep the unit inside clean. So simple, right?